I make $20,000 every single month without drop shipping, without affiliate marketing, or any other of these trending businesses. I found this business model in 2023, scaled it in 2024, and in 2025, I made over $200,000 in profit. The best part of this though is that it actually only requires around 4 hours of work every single day and requires zero investment. All you need is your phone, your laptop. And no, I'm not trying to sell you any dreams because this is exactly what I do and I've been successful in it since 2024. So in this video, I'm going to reveal what this business is, how it works and how you can do it as well. So let's get into it. So this is actually called UGC. UGC videos are basically brands where they pay everyday people to promote their product. Think of those ones you see on TikTok or Instagram where you just see like a person speaking to the camera, casually talking about a product or an app or something like that. That is UGC. All you need to do this is a phone. So you have a simple setup. You have to have a natural tone and you don't even have to edit it that much because the edits are very, very simple. It's not about the edit, it's more about the actual person. It's meant to basically look as if that person's just made a video on it and the brand's just taken that video and uploaded it themselves. The reason why brands pay a lot for this is because they actually perform way better than a lot of their influencer campaigns and invite to collaboration and all these different ones. They perform a lot better because they look real and they look like real customers doing real testimonials. And social proof is number one in this industry. And we'll go on to that later, but yeah, UGC videos look real, they feel authentic, and they convert. And that's why people pay. So instead of hiring out a studio and forking out so much money on these expensive ads that would cost tens of thousands, you'd have to pay a cameraman, you'd have to get studio space, you have to do all this stuff. Instead of that, they could just pay someone a couple £100 or $500 and they can get them to do the video in the room and it usually converts better than the studio ones. For example, LimeWire. Pretty big brand. It was actually a brand back in the day that I used to use myself and they've rebranded. They booked a call with me, they found me on the internet, they found my website, they booked in $12K a month deal with me. So, that's how much money these companies have got. So LimeWire, actually, they used to pay me $12,000 every single month just for making videos. At the time, maybe I had 7,000 followers, around about that. I work with multiple brands and that's how I do well over $20,000 every single month. Because obviously if you've got one brand deal that's at $12,000, then you're over halfway there. I'd say 95% of the UGC work I've done, I've not even put it on any profile. I've just sent it to them and they've done the rest. So you just make the videos, send them off, then they use it in their ad accounts or they use it on their profile. You can upload the video yourself. We'll talk about that in a bit though. So let me talk about how you can make 10K a month or even more with this step-by-step guide right here. So step one is to find brands that might need UGC videos. And it could be different ways. You can do this by just scrolling through your feed. There you go, look, I found one already, Kive.ai, and that'd be a good brand for me because that is my actual niche. AI is one of my niches that I target. So we go to messages. We might have already messaged these. I send that many. Look, there you go. I've already messaged them. Hi, just saw your ad pop up. Look really cool. We actually have some street ad concepts that will suit your ad really well, and they're proven to lower our client's CPA. Let me know if you'd be down to hearing them. So you just basically reach out to these companies. Obviously as well, I give a little bit of a social proof. They're proven to lower our client's CPA. And obviously if they ask me to prove it, I'll send them a screenshot. Let me know if you'd be down to hearing them. This wasn't the best outreach. I've improved my strategy since then. It's not the best outreach, but it'll do. But that's one easy way you can quickly find. So yeah, there's 3 ways to find. One is pitching the brands directly, finding them by scrolling on social media and reaching out to them. Easy as. The second way to do it is to actually get on these platforms that connect you directly to the brands. So platforms like Billo, Influway, I think that's how you say it, and SideShift. These brands, I'll be honest, they're not the best way. I don't really use this method. I use a mixture of the first one and this next one, which this next one is one of the best ones. The third method is personal branding. You post the UGC videos on a new account called, let's say your name is Bob. Make an account called UGC for Bob and then upload all of your UGC videos on that page. And that way, these people might actually search and find you directly. Like they might find you, and if they find you, then you can sort of get a little bit more money out of these people, obviously. I actually, like I said, I combined the first and the third methods together and it worked very, very well for me. So here's how you can do the same. So it says first open up Instagram, go to stories. I just did that. Go through these stories and do you see a story or paid ad from a brand. Check if they're making UGC videos. Another criteria that we have to hit is doing under 200,000 followers because if these companies have got millions and millions of followers, they're probably not going to see your message or they've got some staff on the message. The smaller brands, not too small obviously, But the smaller brands are probably directly checking their DMs and they have someone that's in close contact with the person that is doing that. So this is a nice sweet spot, 100K. They've got enough followers so we know that they're probably doing a decent amount of money, but they've not got too many that they won't see the message. And another criteria you have to hit is seeing if they've done UGC videos. So me, for example, sometimes I'll just spam messages and worry about it after. So look, this is the way I did it in January. Just saw your ad, looked really cool. We actually blah, blah, blah. And obviously I've got jobs with this sort of simple DM. Don't do this. What you should be doing is value first outreach. So rather than doing this, you should just make a video quickly about their brand. You could go script it up on ChatGPT, film them a video, just do something. Say, look, this is a short little video I thought I'd make for you guys. If you want to get something proper, let me know. Just so you've got something to show, because value first outreach is the best way. So what you want to do is you want to create a free UGC video forum, probably takes around 30 minutes. Then you've got to make the Instagram profile. Let's say you're called Bob, UGC for Bob. Make the UGC for Bob profile, and then you put that video that you just made for this new brand onto that profile. And then when you do your outreach, send the link, because people don't want to, open suspicious links. So if you've already uploaded it on Instagram and you forward it to them on Instagram, then they're not going to think it's dodgy and they'll open it straight away. And we just found that AI brand there. So what could their problem be? They might have a trust problem because a lot of people are a bit untrustworthy with AI and you need to get those objections. So I'd do like a message like this. It'd be like, hi, Kive AI. I'm seeing that you're only doing AI videos and AI customers, a lot of people have got a trust problem, especially in the AI industry. We make real street interview videos. We make real UGC videos that are known to lower CPA because of how real and authentic they are, and it's basically social proof. Would you want to hear? I'd say, I've got 2 concepts for you right now. Type yes if you want to see it. Always end on a question. If you can find their email as well on the page, that is even better. Make sure you DM them and send them an email, then you can just sort of cover all bases. And if you haven't got Apollo, get Apollo and you can find emails pretty easily on there. But yeah, if you reach out via email, you're always gonna look more professional than someone doing it in DMs. Also as well, if you're sending an email, you're gonna not look inexperienced. If you've got an Instagram account that's got 2 followers, they're not gonna take a chance on the 2 followers person, are they? When you create this profile as well, make sure your username, your bio is super professional and it clarifies exactly what you do. Just ask ChatGPT, ask Claude, they'll do it for you. So step 2 is to build a simple portfolio. To get brands like I do, you have to have a portfolio because without it, how could they know that you even do it? They might think you were a scammer or something like that. So go and make 6 videos for different brands, all for free. And as well, if you impress them with that video, if they're a big brand, they might have a bit of money to give to you. But yeah, you've always got to keep building that portfolio. The portfolio is never done. Keep putting those videos on that Instagram page and keep building it up, man. That's what you gotta do. And at the end of the day, credibility gets you these high-paying clients because without it, no one's gonna trust you. You might be thinking, if this business model is so easy and it makes so much money, but why is it not as popular as dropshipping, e-com, all these different businesses that everyone's heard of? Well, the reason why is because this business is boring, especially starting it. Don't get me wrong, you can have fun days filming stuff. If you enjoy editing, maybe you enjoy that, I don't know. But for the majority, you're sending a lot of messages, you're filming videos for free. Who wants to actually film videos for free? There's no fun in it, but you have to do that to start, to get going. You've got to spend about 4 hours a day, but reaching out to brands and making free videos is boring. And it gets a little frustrating when you get ignored, because you will get ignored, you will do a video for free for someone, and they might not ever get back to you. So yes, it is boring, it is frustrating, but it is easy once you get going with it. The truth is, most people don't want to do these boring businesses, and that's why a lot of people actually fail before they ever get to that 10K mark. The most important thing about doing that 10K month is doing good UGC videos. You gotta be good at what you do. People pay skilled people, and if you're bad at making UGC videos, why would people waste money on you if you're not doing good videos? But before I talk about that, I want to mention that yes, it requires effort, but it is absolutely worth it. I'm making a full-time income, traveling the world. Look, I got my beautiful pool behind me in my lovely villa that I've just bought for the month. I got the freedom to go to Bali and chill over here while I'm scaling my business. That's the sort of thing that this business model has brought me. I'll be honest right now, I was a bit of a loser until my late 20s. I was beatboxing, I was DJing, producing, I was doing pretty much everything I could do until I found something that sticked and until I found something that started to make me money. So yeah, if you want to make 10K a month from this business model, make sure you click the link in the description and you can apply for my coaching program. Step 3, how to make good UGC videos. So we've got 2 different styles, yeah? We've got the one where you do it yourself, filming in like this. blah, 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 I'm here in Bali, rah, 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 rah. That sort of video. Everyone knows about that one. The other is Street Interview UGC. This is basically a format where you need a mic and someone to record you and strangers. You could use a tripod. I never use a tripod. So basically you walk up to random strangers with a microphone and you ask them questions, and then eventually you turn that question into a follow-up question, and then you segue it into the brand, and then that is the advert. To be fair, it is best that you don't start with Street Interview UGC because it is a little bit scary. I absolutely used to hate it when I started. However, there is more money to be made because there's less people doing it. There's a lot of competition with the UGC, the regular talking head UGC. There's not as much competition with the street interviews. So because there's less competition, you can charge a little bit more. And as well, AI. AI can fake the regular UGC videos, but it can't fake the street interview stuff at the moment. As a beginner, stick to the regular UGC. Anyway, here's what you need to start making UGC. You need camera. Use your phone. If you've got an iPhone 12 or more, you'll be sweet. So the setup's always got to match the product or the brands that you're promoting. Say if you're making a video for a language learning app, do it in the library. If you've got a mic like that, use it. If you haven't, no problem. The audio on your phone will be absolutely fine. Do not try and reinvent the wheel. Everyone tries to make up their own ideas. Check on Meta Ads Library and recreate something that's already worked. And go onto Instagram, look for videos that have a lot of views or likes, and then create a folder with all these videos. Then literally just put the script in, transcribe it, write the script out into ChatGPT, and then tell them to just change a few words or restructure it a little bit. One of the most important things that beginners don't know, what I didn't know as well, is how they should price themselves. That's why a lot of people charge too low and barely make any money whatsoever, or they charge too high and end up getting no deals whatsoever. So you need to get that sweet spot. My first paid brand deal was $150 for 3 videos. It was a bit low, but it was okay because I was starting. I didn't have the experience to charge people like so much. As you've got no credibility, no portfolio at the moment, what you can charge now is $40 a video. Nothing, just get started. $40 a video. You may think it's low, and yes, it is, but this is the only way you're gonna get your foot in the door into the industry. And then obviously later down the line, you can charge $500 per video, just like I do for a company called Roamless. Let's say you quoted $50 per UGC videos, and then you also charge $60 per 100K views. If your video gets 1 million views, which is very, very likely, you just made $650 for one video, and you've got no experience. Some people earn that in a week, and you can make this money in like an hour or two. So think how scalable that is. Yeah, so say you've just got all these views for this company, get that video, send it over, say, look, we're getting results for you, let's lock in a retainer for 3 months, 6 months, maybe 12 months. And then because it's like a long-term thing, so you can give some sort of discount. So there's some sort of incentive for them to want to do that. Some mistakes though with UGC is always selling one video. I did this for too long and it's not the way to do it. The way to do it is selling like 8 videos at a time, 20 videos at a time, 30 videos at a time. And then obviously have like a sort of price structure where the more that they spend, the less it gets. So say for example, they might buy 1 video for $200. If they buy 3 videos, it's $150 each. If they buy 5 videos, it's $100 each. So this is the exact business that made me over $200,000 last year in profit. And this consistently generates me over $20,000 every single month. I've landed multiple UGC deals, charged extremely high prices, and worked with massive brands like Starling. So if you want to get direct help with me, one-to-one, click the link in description, apply for my coaching program, where we help you get to 10K a month within 120 days. And if we don't, we'll give you your money back. There is a refund guarantee. Sounds like a no-brainer, don't it? And if you want to actually learn about this in depth, I've actually got a free full course on YouTube that no payment, no nothing. Just go and watch it right now. You can see it there.